What's up, YouTube? We're introducing a brand new format here to the channel that I'm extremely excited about, and I am calling all questions over to our Instagram DMs. If you submit a video question that we use here on a split screen Q&A, I'm gonna go ahead and send you guys your very own custom black on black cash flow cap by VIP exclusively. I've been getting compliments on this cap every day I've worn it over the past couple of weeks.
Hey everyone, come and see how good I look.
Now, in order to get that, head on over to Instagram. It's at VIP Financial Ed as well. Submit your DM with your personal question regarding your own finances, your own business growth, your own debt elimination goals, and we'll do what we can to steer you in the right direction. In the meantime, make sure you are already reserved for your one complimentary coaching session if you haven't had it already. If you've already had it and you're in a position where your net cash flow, which is all income minus all expenses, averages at least $500 a month, what are you waiting for? Sign up for coaching and we'll help you if possible. If we determine in your assessment call, which is the very first call we have together, that you are not a good fit for the coaching program, then we will go ahead and refund you that tuition. Keep in mind, guys, you don't have to pay for anything here on this channel. We've given away drones on this channel. We've given away thousands of dollars on this channel. We've given away a grand prize trip to Colorado, won by none other than Mr. and Mrs. Robert and Candace Glover, who have since become two of my closest friends. They won a one-on-one weekend with me back in October. They've been actively coaching ever since then, and their results have been phenomenal.
Yes, since I started working with the coaches at VIP Financial, I've been able to scale my business. I've been able to up my income by 30%, and I'm currently coming off one of the best months that I've had in 18 months. But more importantly, since working with Matt and Joe, I've been able to clear up some of the mental blockages that I had when it came to money, and they helped me get out of my own way. And for that, I owe them the world. So shout out to Matt, shout out to Joe, shout out to the whole VIP Financial Ed crew. You guys are champions, man. You guys are champions. Thank you for everything.
We're gonna cover, their progress yet again in an upcoming trip that they're taking out here to Colorado, where we're gonna spend another week together. I've introduced him to Dan Locke. He went through the HTC program with Dan Locke. If you haven't checked that program out, we'll leave some links in the description below. It has forever changed Robert and Candace's financial future going through that program. And we personally introduced him to Dan Locke not long ago at the High Ticket Influencer event, where I was able to get Robert a private invitation and he didn't even have to pay. This is the kind of stuff we do for our audience here on VIP Financial Ed. So make sure you're a subscriber to the channel. If you're not one already, leave your comment below. Submit your direct message video question through our Instagram account. Until we see you on the next video, make it a great day, friend, and take care.